101, it's a limit problem. And again, I do recommend you click on these links over here to read about the theorem that we use to do it. But I'm using Sage. That's what I'm doing over here. So what's a Sage going to look like? You know, let me go clear the screen first. And, you know, I'm going to just reset this time. You know, I'm really going to start back at the beginning. I'm going to define n as a variable. I'm going to assume that n is an integer. You don't have to do that, by the way, but I'm looking at it. It looks integer in value, by the way. And then I'm going to do the function. And what's the function? I'll call it f of n, I mean. And that function is, let's take a look at it. It's going to be the nth root of something. So it's the nth root of what? Factorial, n factorial divided by n to the n, and it's being raised to 1 over n. All right? What I want to do now, a limit. Not of Sn, now is Fn, right? And as n goes to infinity. Let's see what happens. And what do you get? You get 1 over e as expected. Now granted, I'm not that familiar with the inner workings of Sage. If you're interested though, you can actually look at their code base and you could study their code base. You would learn a great deal by doing that, just like when you're studying calculus, you'll learn a great deal more by reading the textbook. Right? I can't emphasize that. You're going to do most of your learning by carefully analyzing, you know, what intelligent people have wrote down, by the way. Will you see error in their work? You will, and you can always report that to the Sage community, and they'll correct it. Thank you.